is a durable suitcase made of XABS material. It is equipped with a handle and is secured by 2 lockable latches. At the top part of the tool case, there are 2 detachable panels with different pockets. Behind, there is a document compartment with additional elastic holders. The bottom part consists of another panel equipped with pockets and the base tray that can be subdivided by flexible inserts. It is also equipped with a retractable handle and wheels, enabling for pulling the product.